What kind of person hires a life coach? The kind of person who hires a life coach is typically someone who is seeking positive change in their life, whether in their personal, professional, or emotional. Life coaching clients can look for many different things in a life coach, but they often share certain characteristics or are at specific stage in their lives. So as a life coach, there are the things that you may look for in people to be a good match for you as a life coach and for a person who is willing to put effort and do the work after your coaching. This match brings out the best in both you as a coach and a person who is coached by you. So, some people who hire a life coach are those who are committed to personal growth. These are people who are often enthusiastic about self-improvement and are constantly seeking ways to improve. They might hire you as a life coach to help them set and achieve goals, improve their self-awareness, or develop new skills. The second group of people are people going through significant life transitions, such as starting a new job, moving to a new city, getting married, or going through a divorce. Often, those people look for a life coach to help them along the way. These transitions can be challenging, and a life coach can provide the support needed to navigate those new circumstances with confidence. The third category of people who hire a life coach is professionals who want a career change. As a life coach, you can help clarify goals, overcome obstacles, and create a strategic plan for making the transition. Number 4. Ambitious executives and entrepreneurs often seek out life coaching to improve their leadership skills, work-life balance, or decision-making abilities. They might also need help overcoming burnout or managing stress, and you as a life coach can be very helpful in these situations. If you want to work with executives and entrepreneurs providing business coaching, then watch this video where I talk more about how to grow this kind of coaching business. Number 5. Some people hire a life coach when they are struggling with specific challenges, facing mental or emotional blocks, feeling stuck, or maybe even overwhelmed. A life coach can help them to gain clarity and develop strategies for overcoming these obstacles. The sixth group of people who hire a life coach is individuals dealing with low self-esteem or confidence. They might hire a life coach to help build their confidence, develop a positive mindset, and take profound action toward their goals. Number 7 is people who are looking for a work and life balance. Balancing work and life can be tough, especially for busy professionals and parents. Many people hire life coaches to help them prioritize their time, set boundaries, and create a more fulfilling balance between their professional and personal responsibilities. Number 8 is people looking to improve their relationships, whether romantic, familiar, or social. Couples or individuals who want to enhance their relationships might work on communication skills, emotional intelligence, and relationship building techniques with a life coach. Singles may look for a healthy, meaningful relationships. They may hire a life coach to explore their values, relationship patterns, and dating strategies. Number 9 is creative individuals, such as artists, writers, and those in other creative fields often find value in life coaching. These people might hire a life coach to help them overcome creative blocks, stay focused on their projects, or develop a sustainable career in the arts. The encouragement and structure provided by a life coach can be essential for their creative success. And finally, some people are simply looking for purpose and direction in their lives. Those who feel lost or look for more meaning in life hire a life coach to explore their passion, identify their values, and create a sense of purpose. There are a lot of different reasons to hire a life coach, but the common thread is that people who look for a life coach are motivated to make positive changes in their lives. They understand the value of having a life coach to guide them, hold them accountable, and support them in achieving their goals. By the way, if you want to double your income in your coaching business, then I have a free guide for you, Sell Your Expertise, with actionable tips. You can download it for free. I put the link in the description below. And if you look for more tips on how to become a life coach, watch this video next.